name's Larry White. I'm from Lawrenceburg, 66 years old. Had both knees replaced. I had the pain for about 8 years, gradual. It just kept getting worse and worse. Going up steps, down steps was the worst thing. You know, trying to maneuver steps, you don't just have to pick your leg up and move it, you know, to get up and down. It just got to where that wasn't me. That was not my life. Dr. Susie performed my surgery at Frankfort Regional Medical Center, down here at Surgery Center. First day, I think I walked like 20, 30 steps. Second day, they had the physical therapy here at the hospital come by and get me again, and I think I walked about 250 steps. I'm able to get out with grandkids, you know, go fishing with them and stand in a boat for several hours, you know. It would have been impossible to do before I had knee surgery. If you're thinking about it or your knees are hurting so bad, get the relief. Is the best thing I can tell you. Go have it done, get the relief, get it over with. You know, 2 months after you have it done, you're up really going pretty good.